The perfect use of the Klein 14-inch bullpen with the Atomic 923. I'm gonna be setting this purling over top the huge roof here. We are setting steel. Go ahead, Izzy. Put the bullpen in, bub. This is what a bullpen is for. Some people call it a lining pin. First, we're going to use this Atomic 923 3/8. This is perfect for this gig. You ready to move it? Ready? These little 3/4 inch bolts that are halfway preset. Pretty much perfect. And we'll be setting these back.
You can again, if you have to take it down. I'm bolting back. Ready?
We're gonna lap this over. There's the 9-inch bullpen. I believe it's a 9-inch, but regardless, it is a lining pin. And this is what they're properly used for. To line up the holes to connect steel.
Another pin?
Inner bullpen. And we have lining pins on lining pins. 4 up here to be exact. 2 for each person. 2 for each person to set steel. This is a small and quick demonstration. Some of this steel don't want to line up.
No.
And the 923.
Give me that bad boy. We must do it.
Maybe you can get another one in and lock it in somewhere else. Atomic 923 putting in work.